Let me introduce you to the Cisco Packet Tracer. So nilisema hapo mbeleni, when it comes to cyber security, computer networking is the backbone here. You need to understand how computers work, how devices communicate on a network, how the data gets transferred from one point to another. This is very, very important juu tutakuwa tunaangalia hizo data to figure out if there is an attack going on and things like that. Shida inakuanga most of the time utapata kwamba when you want to practice like computer networking, you want to know how a router works, for example, how switch connects devices on a network. Itabidi sometimes maybe when they ununue zile devices, ndio something like a switch, a router, a hub, you need to buy labda a server, a printer. The good thing with Cisco Packet Tracer is that you can simulate every device that you can imagine. So you don't need to actually buy a physical PC or a physical server or a physical router or switch. You can just simulate that device. So what am I saying here? Let me show you. So tukikuja hapa chini, let's go to end devices. Let's put a PC here, another PC. We are going to connect these PCs together and create a network. So we have our 3 PCs here, PC3, PC4, and PC5. Now we need to connect to them together. So in a private network, we use network switches to connect devices in. So let's go to network devices. Let's pick a switch. We have switch 1 here. And then we also need a router. The work of the switch is to connect these computers, the PCs, in a local network. But if you want to connect to an external network like the internet, what we call WAN, we need a router to be able to connect. Outside is the gateway. So now let's connect them together using cables. We can connect the router to the switch, and then the switch to the end devices, for example, like that. Nice. And just like that, now we have a network. Simple like that. So we were able to simulate a router, we were able to simulate a switch, and these 3 PCs. How cool is that? You don't need to go and waste a lot of money to buy these devices so that you can practice your computer networking skills. You just need the Cisco Packet Tracer, and you can download this from the netaka.com website. Just go there and download, or you can search it on Google pia. So I hope this video was informative. Kama umeipenda, tafadhali piga the like button, follow this channel, utakuwa umetusaidia sana. And if you have any comments, if you have any questions, piga pale kwa comment section. And you can also save this video for future reference. Huwezi jua ni wakati gani itakusaidia. So thank you again, and remember, every day is a learning day. So keep learning.